Dracula leaps from the ship and up the 199 steps to the graveyard near the ruins of Whitby Abbey.
So we have now come down to Whitby, or up to Whitby, shall I say, or across to Whitby. Anyway, the Abbey's closed because we got here a bit late. We've parked at the Abbey car park. We paid £10.80 for 24 hours. And we are now heading down into the harbour. Could have taken the steps. Nah, not us. It's a gorgeous little town. This is just the start. Do people come on their oars to go to a jeweller's? I don't know. Cocktail wine bar. The fishermen were always found leaning over the harbour railings, having a chinwag or giving advice. So this is the fisherman's wife. Despite the fact she spent a lot of time doing her chores indoors, she also come out and helped peel the mussels to go on the bait for the fishermen for their long trips the next day. She also sold the fish. So time for a drinky poos, and where do we go? On the replica of Captain James Cook ship Endeavour.
Friday afternoon in the sun, having a beer.
Madrea.
What town we in?
We're in Whitby.
We're in Whitby, and what's this bar we're on?
We're on Captain Cook's boat, which is Endeavour.
A replica of Captain Cook's boat.
Replica, yeah.
Pretty cool, to be fair.
And this here is a fisherman repairing his net, because if the nets weren't repaired, there was no fish, hence there was no money. They're poodled down to the end of the pier, and what an amazing view it is looking back at Whitby. I have to say, it is such a beautiful town. I didn't expect it to be this nice. I did think it would be quite tacky. Harsh, I know. Look at that, look. We have the monument of Captain Cook. During the summer months, the fishing fleet would follow the shoals of herring that would swim down the northeast coast. And basically, these young girls, as young as 15 years of age, would actually follow along by train. So as soon as the boat come in, they were there ready and raring to gut and pack the fish.
Another gorgeous morning in the hood. Here's where we stayed last night. Wasn't supposed to stay here last night, but hey, we're fun-loving criminals. And here's my favourite lady.
And this morning we are doing a Dracula affair. We're going over to the Abbey because they've got a play going on over there at 11 o'clock to do with Dracula. So we're going to go and see what that's all about, and hopefully pop down to the little Dracula place down in the town, where we're going to go in and have a look around there as well, because this is quite synonymous with Dracula. Yeah, we're going to go down, go into the Abbey, have a little look at this place, see what that's all about, and then yeah, how cool is that? During Anglo-Saxon times, Abbess Hild founded the Abbey at Whitby in 657 AD. The abbey was abandoned in the 9th century due to Viking raids. In 1078, a Norman soldier of William the Conqueror founded the Benedictine monastery there. This was partly demolished in 1539 during the suppression of the monasteries by Henry VIII. The Abbey later became the tourist attraction it is today that gave Bram Stoker, real name Abraham, the inspiration for his novel Dracula. A copy of Bram's first edition is found in the museum at the Abbey.
Well, I suppose if it's a local custom.
Don't stop, my bride! His blood is not for you!
The 199 steps that ascended to the Abbey ruins and its church, which were enveloped by bats and enshrouded in mist, inspired Stoker in his writing. Dmitri, the Russian shipwreck, beached nearby at Tate Hill Sands, served as the basis for the canine form that Dracula took to infiltrate Whitby.
There is only one cure!
Now life is back to normal. Say thank you and goodbye. But here's a thought to think upon.
So Whitby, we'd like to thank you for your hospitality over the last couple of days. We've had such a great couple of days. Night of drinking last night, suffering a bit this morning, but not too bad to be fair. Had the marvellous views of the Abbey, which are just there to wake up to in the morning. It's been lovely, very quiet too. A lot more people rocked up last night, but yeah, very quiet. But we are now moving on to pastures new. Don't know where we're going because we don't organise, we just go. So we've got 5 minutes in which to sort out where we're going and then we're off. So yeah, thank you Whitby, it's been great. We've come to a place called Goathland, still in North Yorkshire. There's a CAMpRA site which we've turned up on and then we just had to call and just book in. Anyway, Goathland is very famous. Well, was famous back in the day. And I don't know if you look over there, it might give you a little clue. The name of this garage is called Aidensfield Garage. Now, the Aidensfield would be the giveaway, if anyone can remember it. Before I tell you what it is, we're going to head further up into the town and hopefully there's a few more clues I can give you so you can tell me. And I'm going to say it's a TV show. There's another clue. Post Office Cottage, Aidensfield. And there we have a very old police car. Another clue. And your very last clue, I don't know if you can see those images on the window. Now that should give it away if you're old enough to remember. These are their original props from the ITV series. Heartbeat. And that Goathland sign over there was basically called Hogwarts in the first and second series of Harry Potter. There's glass. We've stayed here last night. We're on a CAMpRA site. If I give you the details there, you'll be able to see exactly how it's spelt. Anyway, it's the community hub. £10 a night. It has no electric, but it does have loo, drop and water, so not bad at all. Oh, and some rubbish. You can throw your rubbish away here as well. We don't seem to be getting far on this journey. We made it up to Yorkshire, so I suppose that's a plus from the south. But it's just, there's so many places to stop and see. So whether we do end up in Northumbria, I've got no idea. We're just going to take it as it comes. And we shall see you at our next destination. And we have come down to Robin Hood Bay, so we're going to go down there and have a quick browsing, but we are moving on. We're not going to stay here. It's cost about £5 to park for 4 hours, so yeah, we're going to go see what this one's all about and then move on. We're just heading down now into the bay. I can't believe we've never been here before. I'm sure it was in the 1820s. This was actually a bigger fishing bay than what it was at Whitby. Too many people around at the moment, hoping that they start to disappear soon, so we can have the place more or less to ourselves, which obviously coming during the height of the summer is probably not the best idea.
And at the weekend.
And at the weekend, yeah. Always a bit of bloody scaffolding. We're doing a hunt drone at the moment. We think we may have found it. It literally just fell out of the sky whilst we were here, but hopefully we've got it now. Oh Jesus. We're assuming a bird attacked it. The arms come off. Jesus.
A lesson today there is
Don't fly it around birds.
but at least we've got it back, at least we can retrieve.
Just going to retrieve the danger of it.
That teachers.
Oh mate. We are so lucky to have found that. Literally it was in the garden of the Congregational Church. If it had been just a bit over, we would have lost it totally.
So babe, where are we going next then? We finished work for the day, where are we going to go? Where do you want to go?
I've got no idea, because I haven't looked yet. I've tell you what, I've been busy. I've not been watching YouTube, I've been busy working.
You're a martyr, babe.
I am a martyr, but I've got no idea. I don't know. Do we head up to Bamberg?
How far is that roughly?
I don't know. I've got to check that on my phone, because obviously I've been working.
I've been looking, I just said I found a nice campsite. Did I just say I found a nice campsite with a washing machine, because we need a washing machine. But we decided we don't need a campsite tonight because we've had a shower and it will be a waste of water and gas, although we could top water up at the campsite, but a waste of gas. So we can maybe, I don't know, so we look to stop.
Well, if the weather's crap, did you want to go to the campsite and get it all done? Head north and then we'll take it from there, because in the next couple of days, yeah, because I've run out of towels.
Oh Christ.
Well, I've got my other ones up there, beach towels.
You've run out of towels, but it don't matter because you don't wash.
I'm clean, mate.
Oh.
Smell of roses, babe.
I know you do, hon.
So we were here on the harbour in Scarborough. Not Scarborough.
We're not in Scarborough.
Not in Scarborough at all. We're in Whitby. Yeah, I don't know why I said Scarborough. And we've stopped off a couple of beers. And we're actually on a replica of the... What boat is it, babe?
Captain Cook's Endeavour.
Discovery.
Captain Cook's Endeavour.
Not the Discovery then. I don't know where I've got that from. I'm confused.